how to register the expenses of the company. Okay, any expenses which is done with petty cash or very normal expenses which is happening on a day-to-day basis. Okay, for that you can come to vendors, then expenses, then you can click on new, then you can put the bill reference. What is the bill number or invoice number or any reference that you want to put, the date at which the expenses occurred, date at which we want to account that date. Journal is the one which how did we pay for these expenses. Let me choose cash over here. Then let's say I'm adding the expenses. I can put multiple expenses. For example, like let's say I did some fuel, fuel for office truck, office bus. Okay, one expense. So if you want to mention any cost center while we're taking the report, you can put it over there. Or even if you want to mention that it's been purchased from a particular supplier, just for the sake of what a reporting purpose, you can just mention here. You can choose account here. For example, if you have fuel account, I've chosen fuel account over here. Then comes the quantity, that doesn't much required. You can put the value 100, and if it is been if you are capturing the taxes, for example, if it is being purchased from a supplier which you can claim the tax, in that sense you can put the tax, otherwise you have to leave the tax blank. Okay, and the point is you can keep on adding multiple expenses. For example, some food expense occurred, and maybe, or let's say it's fuel expense itself, but it's for an employee. Okay, so the name is, let's say, Mazhar. In that case, I'll choose the employee name Mazhar, for whom I did the expense. Here again, I'll choose this fuel account. Okay, and I'll mention another 150 real. I'll remove the tax, and I'll go for the next line. Let's say I have some food expenses, and if or let's say we purchase some spare materials or something. Okay, spare parts for car. Okay, so we have purchases from some maintenance company, let's say. Okay, this okay, maintenance establishment, let's say we have purchased from this company, we can just choose that. But since we did the payment already in cash, it will not come into the account payable of this company, but it will be just shown as the expense is done from this particular company. Okay, and let's say it is for our repair and maintenance, then you can put whatever value that you put, and if we have collected the tax or if you have paid the tax, if you want to put that, you can put that as well over here. Okay, so like this you can keep on adding the transaction. At the end you can just click on confirm. Okay, yeah, this is nothing but let's let me check NCB. So it will get confirmed, and these expenses will be posted, and this value are available, and the journal entry corresponding to that is like this. For the fuel there is 100, there is another fuel 150, then the repair and maintenance of the car 500, there is a VAT payable of 75 real, and the last one we paid from the bank. So like this we can register the expenses. Any kind of expenses can be made over here.